mini Amazon haul. I got a card for my security camera, some feminine wash, and this clicky pen from Elf. It's just peachy. So that's my mini Amazon haul. Hey guys, Mike and I are at the laundromat. We had to get a cab up here because we can't walk with two big loads of laundry, two big garbage bags full. So we had to get a cab. It's $12 now for a taxi from where we live to up here, and it's only, we could walk it in 15 minutes tops. That's kind of a kick in the teeth, but you know, it is what it is. We had to, it's the bedclothes, we're washing the bedclothes, so that's my exciting day with my Robins. I got a tea from Robins. Oh, Mike's saying hi. And Mike got a coffee. So we're just sitting here waiting for that to be done. Okay guys, we're back from the laundromat, but we're missing a pillowcase. So Mike walked back up there to see if it's up there. And it was actually Mike's daughter's boyfriend that drove us home. He had Kaylee out anyway, so he dropped us off at home. So I just texted him to see if the pillowcase was in the back of his trunk. So I don't know. We might be out of pillowcase. It's not the end of the world, but it's my matching set, my new sheets. So that would be kind of sucky, but it is what it is, right? I got those sheets. I'll try to link them down below because they're phenomenal if you're in the market for sheets. They're thin, but they're like a little bit cooling for in the summertime. They don't get as hot, and I watched for them to go on sale though. You don't have to pay full price for them. They're on Amazon now for $39.99, but I paid $19.99. I got them half off, so I don't know. It must have been a Prime Day or some sort of sale that was going on that I got them for. But they come in so many different colors, so many sizes, and they fit my deep pocket mattress, so it's unbelievable, and they're so soft. So soft. I showed them in a vlog before. I got the hiccups, I apologize. I'll try to remember to link them below. So Mike walked back up there to see if he could find the other pillowcase. Maybe we dropped it on the floor up there or something. I don't know. But anyway, yeah, I'll try to link them below. I can't even talk properly today. I'm all over the place. But Kaylee was in there in the car. She wouldn't let my hand go. I think she wanted to come in with us, but I got stuff I got to get up and on the move. I got a few things that I got to do around here today, so it's not a good day to let her come down today, but I'll take her down in the next couple of days probably. So we're not doing much of anything. Like, I got a few things to do around the house, but we're not really going anywhere today, so that's what I'm trying to get at. And I didn't take anything out for supper, so I'm not really sure what I'm doing for supper. But I'll figure that out. Even if we just have sandwiches, I'd be happy. I hope you guys are having a great week so far. And I'll be back when something more exciting's happening. Odie! You got an itchy face? What's the matter? Oh, I got the flash on. I'm sorry. There. That better? Are you puckered out? Are ya?
I don't know why he's fucking puckered out.
Watch your mouth, Mike. You got goobies. I gotta clean those goobies out of your eyes.
I thought you might have taken it.
Look at how he's laying. I found him like this. And look at the gut on him. Look at the belly on you. Look at your big belly. What'd you do? Swallow a basketball? What'd you do, Tigger? Swallow a basketball? The blankets are all clean, eh? So they're all nice and fresh bed. Look at your belly. That's a big belly. Oh, there's a big truck coming down the street. Yep. You hear that, didn't you? Did you hear that? We found our other pillowcase. It's going to be delivered later. It was in Mike's son-in-law's car. What is it, Pumpkin? It's just cars outside, buddy. Hi, Tigger. Hi, Tigger. Oh, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. You're bad, but you're beautiful. You're looking at me. I ain't bad. Odie and I are out for a walk. Just had supper. Wearing my Crocs. Looks like the lawn was just mowed here in the graveyard. Okay, I had to turn off the camera before because there was a couple of ladies walking behind us that I let go by. But I can't take Odie for a walk without people saying hi to him because everybody knows him. It's crazy. More people, they know the dog's name, they don't know our name. What are you doing, Oats? Sniffing, sniffing. Sniffing everything. Okay, come on. Come on. Odie. He's being stubborn. Okay, must smell something. Come on. Let's go. We're just on the other side of the block now. Alright, I'm going to go and pay attention to see if he's going to go to the bathroom. Okay guys, this elf in Just Peachy. Here's what it looks like swatched. And I'm going to show you guys it on my lips. Alright, don't mind the application if it's not the best. Oh, I like it. I don't know. What do you guys think? I like peachy colors on me because of my blue eyes. But what do you guys think? Be honest. You don't have to like it if you don't want, but I like it. So I guess that's all that matters really, eh? Okay guys, I'm going to end this one here. I hope you guys are having a great start to your week. And I want you guys to take care of yourself and each other. And I'll talk to you guys on the next one. Bye everyone.